In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a team in Microsoft Teams. If you're part of a team that you no longer need access to, Microsoft Teams makes it fairly simple to remove yourself. This can help keep your workspace organized, reduce unnecessary notifications, and make it easier to focus on the teams that matter most to you. To get started, open Microsoft Teams on your Windows or Mac computer. Once the app is open, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Teams. This is the section where all of the teams you belong to are listed. Now take a moment to find the specific team you want to leave. If you're part of several teams, it may help to scroll carefully and double check the team name before continuing. That's important because leaving a team removes it from your main team's view and can affect your access to its conversations and shared content, depending on your organization's setup. When you found the correct team, move your cursor next to the team name and click the More Options icon shown as 3 dots. This opens a small menu with actions you can take for that team. From that menu, select Leave Team. After you click it, Microsoft Teams will usually ask you to confirm your choice. This extra confirmation is there to help prevent accidental changes, especially if you click the menu by mistake. Go ahead and click Leave Team again to confirm. Once you do that, you'll be removed from the team and it should disappear from your team list. A quick tip before you leave. If the team contains files, posts, or information you may need later, consider reviewing that content first. After leaving, your ability to return or access past materials may depend on whether a team owner adds you back. Also, if you don't see the option to leave a team, that can sometimes happen because of permissions or because the team is managed in a specific way by your organization. In that case, you may need to contact the team owner or your IT administrator for help, and that's all it takes. Open Microsoft Teams, go to the Team section, find the team you want to leave, click the 3-dot More Options menu, choose Leave Team, and confirm your decision. It's a quick and easy way to keep your team's account clean and organized.